First, you're going to want to take off the propeller using the 13mm socket that was included with your purchase. Depending on your True Glide propeller, you might have to use the tool that's included to keep it from free spinning. Luckily, this one was a little bit dry, so it didn't spin freely. I was able to hold on to it just with my hands. Take a screwdriver, put it in between the propeller and the shaft, and pop off the propeller. Now, using some pliers, you're going to want to grab that ferrule, which is the metal insert in the propeller, and kind of just pull it out. You can see here, this is the ferrule on its own. This is the part that you'll be lubricating. Use a towel and clean it off really good, and then using a 2,4-C marine grease, just lube it up. I like to use a towel rather than getting it all over my fingers. But whatever, it doesn't really matter. Just get a good dab on there and then spread it around and pop it back in the prop. Super easy. Once you have the ferrule inserted, pop the True Glide back on there. Make sure to put the washer before you put the nut on the motor pinion. Otherwise, the nut will over tighten and seize it up from free spinning. But that's basically it. You can see here, spinning nice and free. I can flick it and it spins a pretty good amount before stopping. And that's it. We are set to jet. Please, if this video helped you, like and subscribe, and consider sharing this video with your friends who also have Fliteboards with True Glides. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.